we'll actually show you Z-Business. So, our values in terms of delivering product. So first off, Zuora has a real commitment to innovation. So I think this is really on two tracks, which is we're constantly looking for new major innovations like Z-Finance, new big areas, and delivering them. And I think you can see through Z-Billing to Z-Commerce to Z-Finance how every few years we invent and deliver a new major pillar of what you need to succeed in the relationship business subscription economy. And then the other thing is our monthly release cycle. So we do operate an agile model. We're constantly adding enhancements. We're constantly communicating with customers. And we're constantly delivering functional enhancements to help you grow, flow, and down the subscription economy. So the other thing we're committed to is ease of implementation, ease of doing business with us. So Tine talked about the complexities of subscription-based businesses, and they are complex. But our job is to really look for ways to remove that complexity. And so that's something that I think you'll continue to see from us. And you'll see ways that, it's going to be difficult. Billing for subscription businesses is tough. Commerce for subscription businesses is tough. Finance is tough. But our focus is really on making those processes as easy as possible. The other thing you're going to see from us is really a focus, and you'll always see from us, is a focus on designing for usability, for performance, and scalability. So we know your businesses are growing fast. We know the overall subscription economy we're supporting is growing fast. And we're always looking forward in terms of scalability, in terms of performance, and in terms of usability, because we realize how much of your companies, how many people in your companies are interacting with the different parts of Z-Business. The other thing we're committed to is really whole product delivery. We don't think just of the service we offer on Zuora.com in terms of the commerce, billing, and finance capabilities. We think about the whole product. We think about the documentation. We think about education. We think about customer success and our implementation practices. We think about this very holistically because we realize you really need us to be your partner in enabling your new subscription businesses. And then transparency. So I think one of the things that's very different about this new generation of business is old school enterprise software companies were very opaque with their customers. They had very long implementation cycles. They had very hidden technical information, very opaque pricing, and long contract negotiations. That's not the way that we deliver Z-Business. And you see a lot of transparency from us. You see a lot of transparency around our product roadmap. You'll see transparency around the way we do business. And we think that helps you go faster as well. So how are we going to deliver this to you? So I do want to say that I want to emphasize that Zuora has 3 times the number of engineering resources delivering subscription business, relationship business management capabilities to you than anyone else in any related space. It's almost as if we have essentially the engineering teams of 3 separate companies focused on commerce, billing, and finance. And that's really how we think about it. So as we have these pillars to Z-Business, we really make that investment. I think you see the track record in how rapidly over 5 years we've been able to evolve the product to this full range of capabilities. And another big piece of it is really listening and learning. So I have a big focus on building out systems and practices where we can be constantly interacting with you as our customers and learning about your business processes, how you're trying to make these new business processes that are new to you as new persons work, and looking for ways that we can make those run smoother. You're also going to be seeing a lot of systems that we put in place to help you let us know what it is that you want from us. So just a little bit about us and the product team. Now actually I'm going to show you the world's first integrated relationship business management system. So over the next 20 minutes or so, you're going to see all the different aspects of commerce, billing, and finance fully integrated. And the first system that really puts the relationship between a business and its customers at the center of a business management system. So with that, I'm going to invite Justin List who is responsible for sales engineering for our enterprise accounts across EMEA. And he is going to start by showing us e-commerce.
So I'm really excited to be here to show you e-commerce, the first module in the Z-Business system, and the world's only commerce solution built specifically for subscription economy. So as you saw in Tina's keynote, commerce is very different than subscription economy. Traditional commerce is about shipping products, the subscription economy is about building a relationship. But what does it take to be successful in the subscription economy? It turns out there are 3 success factors. To be successful in subscription commerce, you need a completely different kind of product catalog. You need multi-channel relationship commerce capabilities, and I'll describe what that means in just a minute. And you need fine-grained control over your users' experiences. Now, on demand is a company that's growing fast. There's business and consumers as well. It sells VoIP products, sells wireless products, and also selling subscription music services. So our story starts with that we've used the Zuora product catalog. And the product catalog is the foundation, not just for commerce, but for all the Z-Business applications. So in the same way the item aspect,
the customer lifecycle. With that, I'd like to welcome Justin to the stage.
Okay, so my number one challenge is not improved bookings. It is not revenue growth. My number one challenge is getting you guys out for lunch before the flamingos are tip. So I'll try and wait some time. So what I'm going to talk about today is hopefully going to be interesting to all of you. So if you're using Zuora already, I'm going to talk about some of the ways you can use Zuora beyond just subscription billing. If you're not using Zuora yet, I'll talk a bit about why we selected it, our journey, and what we've done along the way. And if you want to catch me at lunch afterwards, very, very happy to answer questions.